Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty split screen on your PS5. First, ensure you have a second controller connected to your PlayStation 5. Once connected, simply launch your Call of Duty game from the main menu. This initial step is crucial for setting up your local multiplayer experience. Get ready to team up with a friend. With the game running, the second player needs to press the X button on their controller. This action will prompt them to log in. They must sign in with a PlayStation Network account, which can be a guest account or a full profile. This is essential for the game to recognize them. Once logged in, you will see both players in the lobby, ready for the next step. Now that both players are in the lobby, it's time to choose your game mode. Navigate to the multiplayer section and select an option that supports split screen. Keep in mind that certain modes, like some Battle Royale experiences, might not be available for local split screen play. Pick a classic mode for the best experience. Before starting the match, take a moment to confirm your preferred loadouts and any other game settings. Once everything looks good, simply initiate the game. You'll then be dropped into the action, sharing the screen with your friend. Have a fantastic time playing Call of Duty together in split screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.